Hi, this is SKS. This is the first course of SolidWorks CAD design. In this course, we are going to learn about basic functionalities of SolidWorks, and we will learn few simple geometries, how to make 3D model in SolidWorks. Okay, when we'll first start with this SolidWorks interface. This is SolidWorks interface which we have seen in this screen. In this screen, there are number of functionalities are there. For example, in features you will give the extrude, revolve, extrude, cut, hole, wizard. Number of wizards are there. Then there is a sketch tool. It's basically used for building basic geometries. Then sheet metal, evaluate, dimension expert, and SolidWorks add-ins. These are basically higher functionalities we are going to learn at in future, not now, at advanced level courses. Today what we are going to do, we are going to make a simple geometry, a simple 3D geometry using SolidWorks design. For that, first we have to do what we have to do. We have to select a plane. If you could see in this SolidWorks design, this is basically a plane in which three planes are given: top plane, front plane, and right plane. And this is the origin. You can also select any plane using this cursor here. If you see here, there's a plane is there. Here is the y-x plane. Currently we are in y-x plane. If we simply click here, it will become xz plane. It's the top. You can say this is top is written here. If you again click here, it's become front plane. Okay. Again, if you see, it's going right plane. So simply we can make changes in number of ways and learn and use SolidWorks in number of ways basically. So what we are going to do today, we are going to deal with the front plane, and we will use the XY plane. We will use the XY plane using front plane. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to learn how to make a solid cylinder. We will go what we are going to do, we are going to use a sketch plate visuality here. We will, in the sketch section, there are number of functionalities are there. For example, line, rectangular, oval, circle, and ellipse. Since we are going to learn about cylinder, so what we will do, we will simply select a circle. We will go to the origin. We will draw a circle here and go through dimension. In this dimension section, we will simply give any dimension based on requirement. Today we are going to give the dimension of 100 mm, as we want a cylinder having dimension 100 mm. Okay. After that, we will go to feature section. We will study extrude boss. So this extrude boss is a functionality which basically fill up the material inside these boundaries and extrude in the form of a cylinder. So we will click it here. We will give any dimension. We want that this cylinder should be 500 mm long. So we will give this dimension here. You can see the change will accordingly reflecting in the interface. We will say click OK. So this is basically a simple tutorial for the cylinder. Okay, so this is a simple cylinder tutorial. Next, what we are going to do in next video, we are going to learn about how to make a hollow cylinder using another activity which is called the extrude cut. Okay, thank you.